On the heels of Ontario's biggest school district laying out their mandatory vaccination policy for staff, BC teachers say they wouldn't oppose that happening here if the province made the move.
It's not our role to do that. That is the employer's role. That is government's role. That is the role of public health in discerning where those mandates need to lie.
And she says even if teachers were asking for a mandate now, doesn't think it would have any impact.
Let's put it this way. We had to push for 6 months to get something as simple as a mask mandate last year. So I do not think that the Provincial Health Office is susceptible to pressure from unions or perhaps anyone. I'm not sure.
The provincial health officer reiterating again this past Monday her stance that mandates work when proportionate to the greatest risk. And she says that is in healthcare, not in schools.
We have other things that are in place to mitigate spread of COVID-19. We prioritized all of the staff in school settings to get immunized.
In BC's largest school district, Surrey, that's the region hardest hit by COVID-19 exposures this past school year. The superintendent would support a vaccine mandate, but doesn't think it will come to that because of the vaccination passport requirements.
I think the pressure's there, and I'm sure we'll see the vaccine numbers climb, and then we'll see what the pandemic does.
If the pandemic does lead to a mandate, the union would need more details first.
In order for any justification of any mandate, we're going to have to see the data. And so the reluctance of the provincial health office or local health authorities or the provincial government to share data is highly problematic.
School exposure notifications are not made public now like they were last school year, a frustration to many staff and parents. In Ontario, the school board's required to set the staff vaccination mandate for their district. Toronto's the first, with a November 1st deadline. For City News in Victoria, I'm News 1130's Liza Yuzda.